Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make neem tea. Very healthy and immunity boosting tea recipe. You can have this tea weekly once to boost your immunity and energy levels. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Before starting with the tea preparation, let's quickly check out the benefits of the tea leaves. Tea leaves helps to treat cold and fever, treats diabetics, treats your gum and bloody nose, cures liver problems, treats heart problems and kills intestinal worms. So a tea made with this neem leaves is definitely a healthy substitute for our regular one, so let's check on it. Heat a saucepan and add 2 cups of water. Today I have taken 15 neem leaves. Let's quickly clean wash it and add it to the water along with a teaspoon of palm sugar. You can also add regular sugar or jaggery. Even honey is a very healthy substitute. Let this boil for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame until the water absorbs all the flavors of the neem. This neem tea will definitely be a little bitter, so you can adjust the number of leaves according to your taste. Also, few variety of neem leaves will be very bitter. In that case, only 2 to 3 leaves for a cup of tea should be good enough. Now it's nicely boiling. Mix it in regular intervals to make sure the leaves don't stick to one another. Now it's been 2 minutes and the water color is nicely changed to light green color, so off the flame. Strain the tea and serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. A very healthy and easy neem tea recipe to boost your immunity. So do try this neem tea recipe in your home and write back to me a feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. To make neem flower ginger tea. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan and to this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium till the end. Today I have taken a bunch of neem leaves. You can see we have some flowers on it. Pick the flowers and add it to the water. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. Neem flowers has a lot of health benefits such as reducing bile, controlling phlegm and reducing intestinal worms. These flowers are a natural immunity booster, relaxes and relieves stress, great for skin, offers hair benefits, has antiseptic properties, helpful in muscle spasm and helps in weight loss. Then to this add 1 piece of ginger. Ginger is again a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this neem flower ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the neem flower and the ginger has come together very well. Now off the flame and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. Then strain and add it to a mug like this. Serve the neem flower ginger tea nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this neem flower ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me a feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.